Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the pass statement. The pass statement can be used when a statement is required syntactically, but you don't want to deliver it. The result of the pass statement is null, nothing happens. We often use it in code stubs that are to be filled in later on. Here's an example. In the for loop, there is supposed to be some body of the loop. This means some code executed inside the loop. Let's see what happens if we don't deliver any code. For I in a range 5, colon, enter, and enter again. So we didn't deliver any code here. And what we're getting is an error telling us that something that was expected was not found. Now, suppose we want to use this for loop, but we are going to think about its implementation only later. So in order to get rid of the error for the time being, we can use pass. For I in a range 5, pass. This code doesn't do anything, but at least it doesn't raise an error. We can also use pass if we have a function or a class without any implementation. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.